Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norley, and I invite you to stay with me for the entire video. I sure know you won't be disappointed. No, family and friends, this is the sound of goodness in my kitchen. Jamaican fry fish, guys. I invite you to hit the like button, guys, and stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how to get the best Jamaican fry fish. Now, guys, I wash, season, marinate my fish, guys, and then I simply add to the pot some vegetable oil. I dry my fish thoroughly, guys, and then check the oil if it is just right. Yeah, if you hear that sizzle thing there, you know your oil is ready, guys. Next, guys, I add my fish to the frying pan and allow it to fry on both sides.
Let me pause to welcome my new subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, please remember, hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already done so. Turn on your post notifications, share my channel with your friends and invite them to subscribe. Of course, leave a comment. Tell me, how do you like your fish?
No, guys, this is no ordinary fry fish. Yeah, so stay with me for the entire video and you will see just exactly what I'm talking about. No, family and friends, I paused for a few seconds just to encourage you in the Lord. The psalmist David is asking God to guide him in everything that he does, and so I want to encourage you to ask God to be your guide, and he will definitely guard you in your doings. All right, family and friends, so my fish, they are almost all done, guys. And guys, I am going to prepare what is to be the best part of the meal. You might agree with me that anybody can do it, just any old fry fish, guys. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna make a nice little sauce with some vegetable pickle in this, guys. So I am using some cooking wine, guys, and I add to that some garlic, add to that some onion, I've added to that some carrot, guys, and yes, some secret, yeah, it is the honey. I allow this to come to a boil, guys. Next, guys, I'm gonna add some ginger root to this. I'm gonna add salt and pepper to taste, guys, and then, guys, I add to that some bell peppers. I'm gonna add to that some onion, guys. I'm gonna add to that some tomatoes, and of course I'm gonna add to that some pineapple. Yeah, tropical topping for my fried fish, guys. I just allow this to come to a boil, guys, and then I turn off the flame. The entire thing took less than 5 minutes to be done. Yeah, guys, we're moving on to the next phase. This is where I put it all together just for you. So in a deep dish, guys, I'm using a bowl, guys. I'm gonna add to that my fried fish, guys, and then you can add any amount of the topping and sauce to your fried fish, guys. If you want it to be nice, smothered into all of this goodness, it is up to you. If you just want the vegetable toppings on it, it is still fine. It is wonderful. It was absolutely wonderful experience, and I sure hope you enjoy the time that I spent in the kitchen with you. This is definitely a hit. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, just look at this. This is awesome and divine. Thank you so much for staying with me in the kitchen, and I'll see you next week, guys. Love, love, love. Mwah, love you. I'll see you next week.